Right, I got this Keychron K3 keyboard. I'm gonna unbox it and let's see how it is. I have a couple of keyboards here. This one is from Zebronics, ZEB Max Ninja. There's also a pretty good Bluetooth keyboard. I guess it's a brown key keyboard. Not too loud. It has RGB, and I have one more which is a wired keyboard. This is also, like, I guess it's a red key model ANT MK1000. So backlight gaming keyboard. Yeah, this is like a gaming keyboard. Okay, this is the one. I need to be careful. My camera fell down. Okay, what is this? If you're a Windows user, please find the appropriate keycaps in the box, then follow the instruction below to find and replace the following keycaps. Okay, so yeah, if you are a Windows user, then you have to replace those. Right now I'll be using it with Linux and Mac, so yeah, probably mostly for let's see, how's the keyboard? Okay, maybe I'll remove this and keep it down here. Yeah, pretty slim, and it will be very easy for me to use it on the desk. Alright, let me try to connect it and let's see how it is. I'm going to turn on the Bluetooth. I was hoping that they might be giving us the dongle thing, but I don't think so. There is a dongle system. Like for the other USB keyboard, I have that connectivity dongle. Yeah, it also has a Bluetooth thing. Okay, cable and Bluetooth. There is a white light. Okay, the keys are also very nice. It feels like a silicone touch. Connect to Bluetooth. Switch the toggle to Bluetooth. Okay, and let's see. Okay, Bluetooth. And press function 1 for 4 seconds and then pair the device named Keychron 3. Trying again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Release. And let me try to connect again. Okay, now connected. Okay, I can type it in now. Test. Super fast, man. Yeah, I was looking for something like this. Amazing. Super. Yep. It's pretty, fast and does not make loud clicking noise, so it is very good. Amazing, I like it. Yep, very nice keyboard. So yeah, I got it for how much? 14,000 rupees, I guess, in Indian currency. from Amazon, one day delivery. Thank you.